Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can already tell by the title, this is a skincare video. Now skincare essentially involves exfoliating, cleansing and nourishing or hydrating, and instead of doing it all at once or in a day, I've spread it across 5 days so that our skin gets enough room to breathe. So yeah, let's get started. Dye my hair. So first things first, exfoliation, and I have in here a homemade scrub. Break open a coconut obviously, then wash it, and now in the mixer blend it with some water so that it looks like this. Then using a muslin cloth strain the mixture so that you get coconut milk. Now cook it on low until you get the oil separated from the milk. Here it is, pure coconut oil, but I decided to use the leftover cream for the scrub. Add sugar, coffee, lime juice and mix. After making this mixture, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes to make sure the sugar is partially dissolved, because then it would be too harsh for your skin and you don't want that. Trust me, you don't want that. Yeah, let's get started. I know it's gonna look gross, smells amazing, and that's all. Let it sit for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes are over and now I'm quickly gonna rinse it off. After washing and wipe, scrubbing opens up all your pores, and very important to close them, otherwise it will clog dirt inside it, which will further cause pimples. Rose water does just the opposite, it closes it, and which is all you want. Rose water is homemade, and here's how you can do it. Roses in slow motion to get the feel. Wash them through. Now separate the petals from the bud. Put them in a pan. Fill it with water. Boil it until all the petals become colorless. Like so. Now strain the mixture using a muslin cloth. There you have it. Fresh rose water. It's day 2 of skincare at home, and it is also an exfoliating day, but the scrub we'll be using today is completely different from the coconut scrub we made yesterday. This scrub is full of antioxidants, and here's how you can pluck a blade of curry leaves, rinse them, a sachet of green tea, squeeze half a lemon, add curd, honey, mix well and grind into smooth paste. Started, but you know the drill. Let me just quickly tie my hair. Day 2 is also an exfoliating day, and I have with me this scrub, but this scrub is completely different from the scrub I made yesterday. While the coconut scrub was richer and thicker, this is lighter as well as full of antioxidants. Just quickly take a little bit in my hand and dab it all over my face. Your hand, just rub it all over, because this stuff is full of antioxidants and you don't want to waste this. I've covered my face with green tea leaves and I look like a weird person. I'll just wait for 10 minutes for the leaves to dry and for the skin to absorb all the juice. I've applied the scrub and I have 10 minutes to kill. I'll just make myself at home and enjoy the experience. 10 minutes are over and the skin has absorbed all the juice and the leaves have dried. I'll just quickly scrub it and rinse it off. You're applying it before you take a shower because the leaves will be all over your neck and stuff, which you do not want. So yeah, and my skin really feels very soft and clean. I'll just apply some rose water. Now on day 3 and in the second phase of skincare at home. This phase is all about cleansing. I have with me this oatmeal kind of face mask. Really cleansing all your pores because of its absorbing sort of texture. Let's get started. Before getting down to business, let me just quickly tie my mask. Is the easiest face mask out of all the face masks I have prepared.
Take oats and powder them. Add 2 teaspoons to the mix, baking soda, water to bind them, little bit of honey. Mix well and leave it around 15 minutes so that it becomes a thick paste.
One thing I have to say that all these face masks look quite gross while applying them. They are free from all the preservatives. I've covered my face with oatmeal and it feels sticky. Just wait for 10 minutes.
That's me reading a book or maybe just pretending to read. You never know.
Now about good 12 minutes and as you can see the oats have become pale in color and that's when you know it's time to remove them. There's no way I can tell you how my skin feels right now unless you try it for yourself, so do give it a try. And now rose water. See you on day 4. On to day 4 and the third phase. So it's all about nourishing and hydrating now. So I've made this face mask out of rice, banana and a little bit of lemon. Rice and banana, as you know, are carbs and carbs are amazing for your skin. And here's how you can make it.
Soak rice in water for 3 to 4 hours. Grind into running paste. Add mashed banana, lemon juice and mix well.
So the rice is just some extra gram.
I'll just let it dry. Enough for the face and now I just need some coffee for my soul. So carried away by coffee, I almost forgot that I had this on my face for 20 damn minutes. So now I quickly need to wash this. Rose water, my favorite. 5th and the final day of this whole skincare thing and my skin already feels so great. Since it's the last day, I've made this extra hydrating face mask and it's super duper easy to make. Before applying the face mask, we'll cleanse our skin one last time using tomatoes. Extremely good for removing tan and deeply cleansing the skin. So yeah.
And then we apply our face mask. It's very sort of burnt or it's wherever they are.
Did I just forget to tie my hair? Let's just continue with our tomatoes. Some extra bit for the cheeks so that they are tomatoey red.
This is mashed papaya, to which I added a little bit of honey and coconut oil and made this super hydrating face mask.
Leave it on for 10 minutes as usual. While it dries, some Netflix and chill. Are up and the papaya has nicely dried up. Hope the coconut oil has penetrated deep into the skin. I'll quickly wash it. I hope that you're able to see some difference that I feel in my skin. I mean, it's too difficult to explain, but yeah, that's all I can say. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked all the home remedies or recipes that I showed in this video. And to be honest, I'm not at all into skincare and I'm the last person to give a damn about my skin. This is one of the many things that quarantine has made me do, and my skin is actually really thankful for doing this, and so will be yours. So do hit like, share and subscribe. Peace out. deeply cleansing skin and cleansing and cleansing this and deeply cleansing the skin. So yeah, cleansing and deeply cleansing the skin. Yeah, that's it for this videos. That's it for